going on, everybody? This is Victor. I work here at the Afterhoursbarbershop in Houston, Texas. This is a little tutorial video about how to do a badass taper fade. Like for real, like a badass clean ass taper fade. Like a lot of people don't know what the fuck is a taper. You know what I mean? And you always gotta ask the customer like, hey, how you want your taper to be done? Like many ways to do a taper fade. Make sure you guys get that straight. As you guys see, there's a TI liner right there. You want to make sure you ball that real good. Then you go and then start using the seniors. Senior is my clipper. You know what I mean? So can't go wrong with the senior. So I use the half of the way open. Now I'm doing the one closed. I don't start fading till like I'm done adding the lines. So there's a number 2 right there. I make sure that number 2 blends in with the 3 that I already had put on the customer. Like the haircut was already faded with the 1.5, all the way to whatever side he wanted on the top. So I did a 2 and then a 2.5. Now I'll go with the 1.5 guard with the lever right in the middle, right between the 1 and the 2. And then I just open it up with the 1.5. Now start fading. After I was done with the 2, I started fading, and now this is how I fade. You know what I mean? Like I fade going down with it. I like to go too high with it. I fade going down. And that gives me a lot of detail. I can add a lot of detail work into it. My customer, he wanted to be a barber. He was like, "Hey, do you have a chair for me?" I was like, "Yo, I got many chairs for everybody who wants to come through." You know. Um, right there, I already the haircut was kind of long. I usually take 30 minutes with the haircut, So it was the camera. I had little problems with the camera here and there, like so I had to cut like a lot of it off. But like I was saying, guys, I cut when I fade down with it. I don't fade up like everybody. I do the lines and then I come back and I start fading. You know, as you guys see right there, after I'm done with that side right there, after I'm done with the fade, I start lining it up. A lot of barbers line it up afterwards. I don't do that. I wait for the haircut to be done so I can have a clear vision of the cut and how it looks. Constantly, I always look in the freaking mirror because the mirror, it ain't a liar. So the mirror is gonna tell you where you're having problems with and how to fix that. You know what I mean? So right after I'm done with the cut, halfway done, no, like 75% with that taper fade right there. I start doing the straight razor. So as you see, I go against the grain, always against the grain, sharper line. That's my thing right there. Thanks for whoever showed me that. Then right here, as you guys see, just like adding the detail with the straight razor. I'm almost done with the straight razor. I make sure I get that baldness of the straight razor into that taper fade. Right when I'm done with the straight razor, as you guys see, I start picking out the detail of the haircut so I can make it look sharp as possible. You know what I mean? So because like making it look sharp, that's the key to the game right there. If the cut ain't sharp, ain't getting out of this shop. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much it. The haircut's done. So I'll catch you guys later. Y'all have a great day.
What the fuck was that, bro? I recognize that nigga, dog. You said there wasn't gonna be no locals. That's the shit you told me. No locals.
Look, man, you know how this social media shit is, nigga. They got this Facebook, Instagram, Twitter shit, man. Everybody connected on that motherfucker. But look, we good.